Wow, look at that, guys. Big rain.
Yeah.
And we're still here in the highway of Bagawinis waiting for the ninja van to deliver our wall cabinet. And look at guys, really big rain. So must be flooding again in our place. Oh my god, it's rain.
I think you roll the window up.
Oh, okay.
Look at that. It'll soon be hitting us.
Yeah. Oh my god. That'd be hard to put that in a van.
Yeah. We have to wait.
We're stuck up here inside. I'm about to poo-poo.
Look at that.
Oh.
Turn the wipers on so you can get a look.
This typhoon is really strong.
Yeah, just think it's a several hundred kilometers away. Look at what we're getting.
Yeah, look at that.
It's crazy.
It scared me, Daddy.
Look at that.
Scared me. Look at the wind in the sugarcane there.
Yeah.
The wind is so strong. But, baby, we are here near in the tree. Don't worry, but it fell off. Hold on with us.
We'll manage.
Oh.
There's LBC. I'm watching Ninja Man roll up in the storm.
Look at that.
If you want to know what that beeping is, it's my voltmeter. I can't shut it off. Alright? It beeps when it gets low. 13 volts or something like that.
Baby scared me.
That's
What
wicked.
is that? So hard.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the outer rain bands that we're getting.
I'm worried about the people there in Luzon.
Oh yeah, just think it's worse than Luzon.
Yeah.
This is.
I hope that everyone is okay there. This is super typhoon, guys. This typhoon is super typhoon now. Slow down a little bit.
Yeah, it looked like we got another wave coming from a distance. That tree blocking the wind, or the van would have been doing this.
Yeah.
We'd have been shaking, then you'd really be scared. Hopefully it'll lighten up before the delivery makes it. down quite a bit. Even back in our place, it's still heavy,
Yeah, still heavy.
but it's still calmed down.
I bet there's flood again. Flood
Mm-hmm.
are placed. Be flood again.
Yeah. It won't be too bad because it's nice that road, hopefully.
Still pretty hard in our place.
Mm-hmm.
Okay na.
Okay, guys, appreciate you watching. Don't forget to subscribe. You got to see a little brief moment of a storm we get. And thanks again. See you soon.